Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Vulcan S. This 650 twin-cylinder, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled Vulcan just arrived with only 1,250 miles. Beautiful condition. It's got a satin white finish, solo seat, 6-speed transmission. Really nice shape. Come on by, make your lightweight cruiser dreams come true with this awesome Vulcan S for just $59.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.